If you have been wondering how can you add friends in Whiteout Survival, you are in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how. All you need to do is to follow carefully with me, so let's start. First you need to tap on this worldwide chat going on at the bottom of the screen right here. You can simply add people from here by tapping on their profile icon right there. Simply tap there and then tap on add friends. Once they accept your friend request, they will be friends with you and you can play together. If you have someone in mind that you want to add, you can tap on the icon in the top right corner to go ahead and search for the usernames. Before you do that, you can tap on friend requests right here to accept friend requests that you have received to become friends with those people. Now if you want to simply just add friends, tap on add friends right here, and then in this search box type their username correctly, and again make sure it is correct. Tap on this search icon right here. You'll get all of these results right on this list. Find the people that you want to add and simply tap on add friends right next to their profiles, and just like that, once they accept your request, you'll be friends and you can have fun together playing Whiteout Survival. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to like and comment down below. Also subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.